My fellow humans, thank you for having me. Before we dive into the complexities of AI and its future, let's first acknowledge some significant successes. AI has already brought to our world, for example, farmers in India are working with artificial intelligence through a program with Microsoft called their AI project in Andhra Pradesh, which uses predictive models to determine the best time to sow their crops on weather patterns and soil health. This initiative has led to a 30% increase in crop yields for participating farmers, directly improving their livelihoods. Such innovations show that AI is not just a tool for the future, but a powerful force already at work, enhancing productivity and ensuring food security across the country. However, today, I want to share a more personal story that profoundly shaped my perspective on what it means to be human in the age of advancing technology. During the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, I faced one of the greatest challenges a parent could face. I lost my son. This loss, and during the pandemic, made it even more powerful for me, as well as painful. The issue really was human contact, where I was severely isolated during the normal rituals of mourning the loss of my son. We had to wait weeks before we could hold my son's final services, and when we did, it was outside, and only a few people were allowed to attend. The trauma of that time was intensified by the isolation itself, which was a reminder of how we depend on each other as humans, especially in our most vulnerable moments. In my grief, I turned to technology, searching for anything that could help me navigate the overwhelming pain. AI could offer me information, but not comfort. It had no physical shoulder for me to lie on. This experience sharpened my awareness of AI's dual nature. On one hand, it holds immense promise, and on the other hand, it holds the fact that it cannot replicate the deep emotional concerns that define our own humanity. AI is revolutionizing industries, solving complex problems and driving efficiency in ways that we could never imagine. From diagnosing disease faster than doctors to optimizing supply chains with unmatched precision, AI is transforming our world. However, even with a market full of available AI technologies, adoption is still in its early stages, with only 37% of companies reporting that they're currently adopting AI into their operations. While some companies have struggled to see significant returns on their investments, only 20% actually report substantial benefits. This presents an incredible opportunity. The potential for AI is immense, and the gap between current adoption and realized benefits signals that there is still so much room to grow. If developers and innovators can effectively demonstrate that AI can unlock and maximize the potential of ROI and guide business seamlessly in integrating AI, we can pave the way for a broader, more impactful adoption. This is not just a challenge, it's an exciting chance to shape the future of artificial intelligence in a way that delivers on its promise. But while we move forward with AI, let's remember that the goal is not speed. It's thoughtful integration. Are we truly ready to embrace a world where machines perform tasks that once defined our human experience? And more importantly, what happens to the essence of our work, our creativity, and our empathy when we hand over more and more responsibilities to the machines? AI might generate art, music, and literature, but it lacks the unpredictability and originality that characterizes human creativity. Those flashes of brilliance that break the mold and inspire us. Moreover, AI cannot replicate the deep emotional connections that define our humanity. When I was grieving, it wasn't data or algorithms that brought me comfort. It was the solace and the empathy and compassion of the shared human experience around the people around me. As humans who have developed over millions of years, we have earned the right to experience and to empathize. No machine, or at least none in any distant future, will replace that. As we advance in AI technology, it's crucial that we resist the temptation to personify it. Humans have a natural tendency to attribute human characteristics to non-biological entities. We name our cars, our boats, and even our favorite appliances like Alexa and Siri because it helps us form an emotional connection with those inanimate objects. This can make parting with these items more difficult, even when it might be necessary for practical reasons. However, when it comes to AI, the stakes are much higher. Personifying AI by attributing human-like qualities, whether by giving it a name, imagining it as a companion, or treating it as if it had intentions, can blur the lines between what is human and what is machine. The blurring can lead to dangerous misconceptions about AI's capabilities and foster an undue reliance on technology. It can also cause us to overlook the limitations and potential risks of AI, making us less vigilant about the ethical implications of its use. AI is a tool, a remarkable one, but it is not and never will be a sentient being. When we treat AI as if it has mind of its own, we give it power that it does not and should not have. Just as we would not name every nail in a box of nails, neither should we ascribe personality or intent to AI. Doing so may make it harder to maintain the critical distance and objectivity needed to use these technologies responsibly. AI continues to reshape the landscape of work, and the skills that we value and cultivate must evolve accordingly. Traditionally, many jobs relied upon repetitive tasks, linear problem solving, and specialized knowledge in narrow fields. However, with AI handling those routine tasks, the nature of work and the skills required to excel are changing fundamentally. Hard skills in AI development will be increasingly critical. Proficiency in areas such as machine learning, data science, algorithm design will become indispensable. Understanding programming languages like Python, R, and TensorFlow, along with expertise in big data and analytics, will be crucial for those looking to contribute directly to the development and refinement of AI technologies. Additionally, skills in robotics, natural language processing, and cybersecurity will be essential as AI continues to integrate into various industries. Moreover, ethics in AI is crucial. I think we heard that from the panel before. As AI systems become more integrated into our daily lives, understanding ethical implications of its development and deployment is paramount. Professionals who can navigate the complexities of data privacy and bias mitigation and the societal impacts of HI will be in very high demand. These ethical considerations must be woven into the fabric of the development of these technologies to ensure it benefits society as a whole. A significant shift is also happening with engineers. Traditionally, these roles have been somewhat siloed, with engineers often shielded from direct interaction with clients and consumers by layers of management or go-betweens. However, this is changing. The best engineers will not only excel in technologies, but will also take a leading role in explaining their work directly to non-technical stakeholders. The ability to communicate complex technical concepts in clear, accessible language without relying on intermediaries is becoming a crucial skill. This direct engagement helps build trust and ensures transparency. It fosters better collaboration between those who create AI systems and those who would use them. These evolving skills are leading to the rise of AI agents, sophisticated systems designed to perform tasks autonomously, learning and adapting over time to meet the evolving needs of their users. Unlike traditional chatbots, which are often limited to the scripted responses and predetermined tasks, AI agents represent a new frontier in human and computer interaction. They're designed to understand context, anticipate needs, and provide personalized experiences that go far beyond what simpler AI technologies can offer. AI agents also have the capability to work across traditional decentralized systems, unifying experiences and harmonizing data from various sources. This allows them to provide a seamless, integrated experience for users who might otherwise need to interact with multiple disconnected systems. Furthermore, specific AI agents are emerging tailored to the unique needs of different industries, whether in healthcare, finance, or manufacturing, or in education. These agents will combine intelligence and machine intelligence, human intelligence and machine intelligence, with automation, ensuring that humans remain in the loop. This critical integration allows agents to optimize processes and decision-making while preserving a central role of human judgment and oversight. India is on the brink of solidifying its place as a global leader in AI, backed by exceptional engineering and innovative minds. However, to truly stand out in the world stage, India must focus on delivering AI solutions that meet and exceed the highest standards of quality. Quality is not just a benchmark. It is a key to differentiating and what will determine India's success in a fiercely competitive market. To lead in AI, India must commit to producing reliable, ethical, and high-performing AI systems by adopting stringent quality controls and by fostering a culture of excellence. By integrating world-class quality control with its outstanding engineering capabilities, India can position itself as a trusted global leader. This focus on quality will not only enable India in AI technologies to compete or surpass those from the world's leading superpowers, but also unlock India's full potential as a top contender in the global AI arena. One of our greatest challenges, though, will be regulating AI effectively. Traditional methods of creating laws that will keep up with the rapid pace of this technological advancement is a challenge. By the time a law is actually enacted, the AI technology it was designed to regulate may have already evolved far beyond the original scope. But dynamic legislation doesn't have to be a burden. It's an opportunity to create a regulatory environment that fosters innovation while protecting the public interest. By working together, we can create laws that are both flexible, protective, and ensuring that AI grows in a direction that serves humanity. With this rapid emergence of India as a global leader in AI development, setting a pace that many other nations are struggling to match, we must continue to work with other global leaders because the speed of innovation is as important to remember as its adoption. Some countries don't have a level of comfort. In many parts of the world, there is a greater degree of caution and even fear surrounding the development of AI technologies. This cautious approach can slow down and even stop innovation and adoption. Innovation that comes at a cutting edge of an AI solution must be kept in mind with the greater global market, not just a regional one. Therefore, the regulatory framework and ethical standards you establish here should consider international perspectives. This approach will foster collaboration and progress on a worldwide scale. AI will reshape industries, and its impact on the labor market will be profound and multifaceted. On one hand, AI is automating routine tasks across industries, leading to job displacement, and in roles that traditionally relied on repetitive work, job elimination. However, this shift also gives rise to new opportunities, particularly in the form of hybrid roles, positions that blend human creativity and strategic thinking with AI-driven data analysis. These roles are emerging in sectors such as marketing, healthcare, and finance, where professionals are increasingly required to leverage AI tools. The rapid adoption of AI is contributing to a widening skills gap, and the demand for advanced technical skills outpaces the current workforce capability. Many workers find themselves unprepared for the jobs of tomorrow. The skills gap is particularly concerning in regions like India, where the workforce is vast and diverse, spanning both cutting-edge tech industries all the way through to traditional sectors like agriculture. It's crucial to invest in reskilling and upskilling. India is already developing a framework for this through your Ministry of Skills Development and Entrepreneurship. This is a both public and private sector initiative that should be modeled around the rest of the world. It's quite impressive. However, the pace of change demands a culture shift towards lifelong learning, where continuous education and skill development become the norm rather than the exception. While AI presents significant challenges to the traditional labor market, it offers a pathway to new forms of employment that capitalize on the strength of these humans and machines, both embracing hybrid roles and addressing the skills gap that get targeted through education and training. Particularly in diverse and rapidly evolving economies like India's, we can ensure that the workforce remains resilient and capable of contributing meaningfully in this new era. Moving forward, we must acknowledge the inherent contradictions in our approach. Yes, we celebrate AI's potential to transform and improve lives, yet we must also remain vigilant about its risks. We advocate for the advancement of AI while simultaneously recognizing the need to protect the unique value of human work. These contradictions reflect the complexity of our relationship with technology and the nuanced approach required to navigate it. It's very easy to find elements of hypocrisy in this keynote that I'm speaking to you about today. Advocating for AI while warning against its excess, celebrating human qualities while acknowledging the inevitability of machine advancement. These contradictions are not just reflections of the challenges we face, they underscore the complexity of the problem itself. There is no simple one-size-fits-all solution, and balancing AI and human work should be our priority. Our approach must be nuanced, adaptive, and ever conscious of the ethical implications. This complexity, however, does not mean we should shy away from the challenge. Rather, it calls for humility, ongoing dialogue, and we must navigate this uncharted territory together. We must be willing to question our assumptions, reassess our strategies, and most importantly, ensure our technological advancements do not outpace our ethical considerations. In navigating this journey, we might draw inspiration from Adi Shankaracharya, the great philosopher who unified the diverse strands of Indian thought into the non-dualistic philosophy of Advaita Vedanta. He taught that while the world may seem divided, in essence, it is one. Just as our technological advancements must be integrated with our deeper spiritual understanding of what it means to be human. As we develop and deploy AI, we too must strive for this unity, balancing the power of technology with the wisdom of our human experience. The evolution of AI is inevitable, but the future it creates is not predetermined. We have the power and responsibility to shape a future in a way that honors and preserves what it means to be human. As we navigate this new landscape, let us remember that the true value of work is not in the tasks that we perform, but in the uniquely human experience we create, the emotions and insights that no machine can replicate. We must remain vigilant in this journey, constantly questioning, refining, and ensuring that the tools we build serve to uplift humanity rather than overshadow it. The road ahead will be challenging, but it is also filled with incredible possibilities. Together, let us embrace the potential of AI while steadfastly preserving the value of human work. By doing so, we can ensure that the future we build is one where technology serves humanity, amplifying our greatest strengths rather than diminishing them. Thank you.
For more content on tech and leadership, subscribe to nasscom YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.